Hello everybody. We are monitoring the tropical depression from the Philippines. Right now in Bohol and Cebu, they are experiencing heavy rain. And sabi nila, mahina daw na bagyo. Hindi po siya bagyo mga madaman sir. Wala pong bagyong nakalagay. Ayan o, tropical depression. This is weather, Hong Kong weather in Hong Kong. So, tropical depression is this one, the color. Tropical depression. That's here, started here. And the green one is tropical storm. The blue one is severe tropical storm. Typhoon po here is the red one. This one. So if you can see, the blue here, it's in here. Tropical, the severe one. The gray or black color is this one, the tropical depression. That's indicating today. And it's in here. And then the route of this weather is from here, South Philippines or north of Mindanao, crossing Visayas in the west part, including Negros and Bohol and Cebu and Palawan, and then goes to, it will become worse, the blue one, the severe one, into the South China Sea, and then to Vietnam. And from here, I will show you this, my favorite part, the windy.com. Let's play. If you observe guys. Teka lang ha, kasi hindi ako nakaupo. Ako ay nakatayo. So kaya manginig na. Shaky yung kamay ko, lang siya. So we are here at 11 o'clock. We start 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock in Monday. Start play and you observe how this cyclone or it's cyclone near the tropical cyclone near the Philippines. So near, it means at aridiri. So let's go back to the windy.com and play and observe the time and date here while monitoring your eyes to the weather. So it's playing right now. It's 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock and Tuesday. Look the difference. So this is what happened, why it's heavy rain there. It's not bagyo. You see that? We are on Wednesday. Madaling araw, Wednesday. Palawan area, Mindoro area, south of Luzon. South of Luzon, Palawan area, and it will become worse. It says, remember the blue one? The severe tropical storm here in this area. And it's not typhoon yet. If it will become super stronger, it will declare typhoon. Hopefully not. So far, for now, we are in the depression. Depressed pa siya mga madaman sir. So Friday, like that weather. And look, we are here in Hong Kong and we experience cold weather. You see the Hong Kong area, Philippines, in here. That's it. So Saturday, can you imagine Saturday? And it will end on Sunday. Alright guys, if you wanna watch again, you can replay the video. Let's go back again. You see, let's go back again to Tuesday, right? You still experiencing heavy rain in this area, scattered rain, which is good because if they're together like here, this is gonna be, watch out here guys, it's stronger this one, wind. Buti nga hindi siya namumuong bagyo, lang siya, habang papalayo, while going farther from the Philippines. Diba, ang bait niya, sabi niya, hinahinaan ko lang sa Pilipinas kasi marami nang nangamatay, ari na may magkusog-kusog diri dapita, ganun. Kaya very good. Nandyan yan sila sa China, yung ginagawa nilang fake island sa China. Dyan sila which is okay lang. Kasi dato naman na sila. So yan guys, Friday, this is the beautiful weather here while it's circling here. Bye guys, that's it.